Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. We welcome all of you to the Manila Cathedral, your home, as we celebrate this 21st Sunday in Ordinary Time. And we thank the Lord for gathering us this morning. And we've been through a lot this week. We have suffered strong rains the past days. And thanks be to God, we are still here, thanking the Lord and asking Him to cover us with His blessings and to protect us. At hari nawa po, patuloy tayong mag-ingat, patuloy tayong magtipon-tipon at palaging italaga ang ating sarili sa kabutihan at grasya ng ating Panginoon. My dear sisters and brothers, our readings today would like to face us two characters, distinct characters. One whom the Lord hates, and the other one whom the Lord loves. Simulan muna natin yung isang karakter, isang gawain ng tao natin na ayaw ng Panginoon. And we shall take that story from our first reading today, from the book of the prophet Isaiah. And if you listened, we've heard two names, Shebna and Eliakim. Eliakim, if you are into going to Mass every simbang gabi, is part of the lineage of Jesus' clan. Sino ba itong si Shebna? Si Shebna po ay hari. And we are to describe Shebna as a show-off king, pakitang taong hari. Hari siya. Maganda yung kanyang pananamit, pinaganda niya yung kanyang palasyo. He wishes that all reverence, all dignity must come all the way to him. Umakyat sa ulo yung kanyang pagiging hari. Kaya yung pagkahari niya ay pangalan lamang. Kapag oras na ng responsibilidad, he goes away. You can't find him. And that is why the Lord saw that being show off of Shebna and took from him the office of the kingship and replaced Eliakim, someone honest, someone sincere, someone who can carry on the responsibility of kingship to His people. Ayaw ng Diyos sa mga pakitang tao. Ayaw niya na nagpapakitang tao tayo. And what He wishes is but our plain and simple sincerity and honesty, so that we can be graced by His love and we can be entrusted with a mission. And this is the Lord, something that the Lord loves. If He hates the being a show-off of Shebna, He loves the sincerity of Eliakim and of Peter in our gospel today. When Jesus asked His disciples, "Who do you say that I am?" Ngayon, sinabi na ninyo na ako daw si Elias, sabi nila si San Juan Bautista ako, si Jeremias at ilang sa mga propeta. Ngayon, sino naman ako para sa inyo? And without any hesitation, with all honesty, sincerity, and truthfulness, Peter replied, "You are the Christ, the Son of God." And we can verify that Peter replied in sincerity and truthfulness, because Jesus said, "For flesh and blood has not revealed this to you, but my heavenly Father." This is something that the Lord loves. He loves honest, sincere, and truthful people. He won't love people who will be showing off only their names, their identities, their titles in this life. Such is the mind of God that St. Paul said in our second reading, the deepness of the richness and wisdom and the knowledge of God. Hindi pumipili ang Diyos yung kayang ibalandra lamang ang misyon, ang pangalan sa mundong ito, kundi ang karunungan ng Diyos, pinipili niya, binabasbasan niya yung mga taong tapat at yung mga taong totoo. And my dear brothers and sisters, our readings and our celebration today would like to remind us about this beautiful fact. Magpakatotoo at hindi magpakitang tao. Magpakatotoo at hindi magpakitang tao. Lumakad lang po tayo sa paligid natin. Lalo na nitong mga nagdaang, mga nag-uulan, nakalagay sa damit, nakabalandra pa yan, chairman, barangay chairman, barangay secretary. O ano pong ginawa sa inyo habang kayo ay inuulan? Pinanood lang kayo? O madami nakalagay, leader of this ganyang group, leader of this ganyang community, leader of this ganyang society. Anyari? Kaya ba ninais ang pangalan para malagay sa damit, para malagay sa lamesa? Laki pa, no? Gawang marble pa. This and that name, chairman of ganyan, leader of ganyan. Wala naman silbi. Kaya dapat ayan yung mga inaalis ng Diyos sa kanilang mga posisyon. Yung mga taong hanggang pakitang tao lang ang pangalan at dignidad. Secretary of ganyan, commissioner of ganyan, leader of this ganyan, and left and right. Pero pagdating sa pananagutan, sa responsibilidad at sa kapwa, wala. But to whom the Lord raises, to whom the Lord entrusts a key and responsibility, not to those who are showing off, but to those honest, sincere, and truthful. Marahil katulad sa aming mga paridin, we might fall into that trap and temptation that we are just showing ourselves priests. But we are trying our best always to be sincere and honest in front of the Lord at every entrusted mission to us. Sa ating pong pananalangin ngayong nasa harapan tayo ng Diyos, ano ho ba ang inihaharap natin sa Kanya? Nagpapakitang tao lang ba tayo o nagpapakatotoo tayo? Ang grasya, ang pag-ibig ng Diyos, dumadaloy sa pagpapakatotoo natin. Hindi sa pagbalandra ng kung sino man tayo o sa pagpapakitang tao, sa pagpapakatotoo. Our honesty, our sincerity, and truthfulness will come along our way. The Lord loves those who are honest and truthful, but He hates those who are just showing off, who are just like designers in this life. But the Lord entrusts with a mission. The Lord pours His grace. The Lord loves every one of us, trying our best to be sincere with our faith, to be honest unto who we are, and truthful in our words and in our life.